The IMA junior doctors, in fact, are continuing their protest. They are refusing to end the strike until all the demands are met. And the doctors are making it very clear that they are seeking an overhaul in the working conditions. The junior doctors here are demanding airport-level security protocols. The doctors are now seeking an impartial investigation as well. This is now the demand that's coming in from the IMA junior doctors. Isha continues to be on the broadcast with us. Isha, this is now the IMA junior doctors that we are talking about. Help us understand what the demands are. And of course, we are also learning that they're demanding airport level security protocols.
Right, Ashish. So, since the horrific case of rape in Kolkata came to the fore, the Doctors Association have all come together to attack the safety protocols, also the government and also the TMC government, which rules in Kolkata. But again, the bigger question that has come to the fore is about how safe are these doctors, because Maumita was working in her clinic in the hospital when she was brutally raped and murdered. So, of course, yes, the doctors have come together. The IMA Junior Doctor Association have come together to demand airport-level security to make sure that no doctor is further put through what Maumita was put through. So, more CCTV cameras is also what they've been demanding. So the IMA, the Indian Medical Association, has been putting forth its demands. In fact, the IMA, to give our viewers a little bit more context, the IMA also met Health Minister JP Nadda and put forth their demands with other health ministers, stating that the health minister needs to actually prioritize the needs of the doctors and also make sure that this is a safer space for doctors. That is what the IMA has been suggesting. In fact, across pan-India, protests have also taken place, and many protests have erupted. Of course, so in fact, yesterday, Gangaram, the hospital in Delhi, the OPD services were also shut. All major hospitals in Delhi have seen protests. Yes, definitely, Ashish. The doctors have all been up in arms, protesting against the horrific rape and murder that took place. And also, this has definitely sparked an outrage as well. But yes, definitely a lot of back and forth taking place. And the IMA putting forth a staunch set of demands.